Welcome back. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome to Geshe Michael Roach Class 7. As we continue through the day, we are grateful for another opportunity to receive teachings together with openness, attention, and heart. Thank you for being here with us at ACI 5 Houses. Let's begin Class 7.
Okay, thank you guys. All right, here we go. We're gonna start with a picture of a blue book, you
Kita
guys.
akan
Right?
mulai dengan gambar
You're so
buku
cool.
biru.
All right.
Keren sekali.
So this is a book that I wrote during my 3-year retreat. I
Jadi ini
wrote
adalah
several books
buku
during
yang
retreat.
saya tulis pada waktu
I like
retreat
this one.
3
I think
tahun
it's a
saya.
nice
Saya
book.
tulis beberapa buku waktu
And
retreat saya. Saya suka ini. Saya rasa ini
it's a
bagus.
commentary to the Yoga
Satu komentari
Sutra.
untuk
Okay.
Yoga
It's a
Sutra.
nice story. An
Tapi
adventure
ceritanya
story
bagus
about a
sekali
young
dan
lady
adventure tentang
many
seorang
years ago, many centuries ago. Okay.
perempuan
Yeah.
muda beberapa
No, Friday.
century tahun yang lalu.
Pasang. By the
I
way,
didn't know.
my teacher's name
Friday,
when he was born
guru saya
was
waktu
Pasang.
dia
And
lahir
Pasang
sebenarnya
means
pasang.
Venus, the
Pasang
planet
artinya
Venus.
Venus, planet Venus.
And it also means Friday.
Dan juga berarti Jumat.
So that's the same in
Jadi
English,
itu
like Saturday
sama
is the
dengan
day of Saturn,
bahasa
for
Inggris.
example.
Jumat
So
adalah hari
his name
Saturnus.
was. If you don't know what to call your kid, you name them
Kalau Anda tidak tahu
Friday.
apa
If
harus
they're
kasih
born,
nama
if they're born on Friday.
nama
Okay.
untuk
Then
anak,
later you
kasih
send them
nama
to the
aja
monastery, they
Friday.
get a proper name.
Dan
Okay.
kasih aja nama
So
Jumat
his
kalau
name is
harinya
Pasang.
Jumat.
So I use that
Saya
name for
artinya
the
pasang, saya
for the
gunakan
lady
nama
in this
itu
book,
untuk
for the
nama
star in the book.
perempuan
Okay.
yang
And
untuk bintangnya yang ada di
I
buku
picked
ini.
the best parts of the Yoga
Saya
Sutra and I put them in there. I
mengambil
like what the
bagian-bagian yang
Yoga
terbaik
Sutra
dari Yoga
says
Sutra dan
about
saya
the
taruh di
next
buku sini.
perfection. We finished the
Saya
perfect
suka
state
dari
below.
buku Yoga Sutra
Now we're
tentang
studying the perfection of
kesempurnaan untuk
ethical life,
memberi.
how to live an ethical
Sekarang
life. Mainly,
perfection,
how
kesempurnaan
to keep the
untuk
10 vows,
moralitas.
10
Bagaimana
commandments,
cara
right? Not to
menyimpan
hurt people.
10 moralitas
But
untuk
then
tidak
later, if
melukai
you want
orang
to be
lain. Dan
advanced, you can
kemudian
do
kalau
Bodhisattva
Anda
vows
lebih
and
maju,
Bodhidharma
Anda bisa
vows.
lakukan
By the way,
sewa
people
sumpah
ask me
bodhisattva atau
what's
sumpah
going to happen
jalan berlian.
after
Orang tanya saya apa yang akan
empowerment in
terjadi
October.
setelah
So we're working really
empowerment
hard
pada
on the
bulan
empowerment.
Oktober. Kita sedang
It's really
bekerja
sexy, I
keras
have to
untuk
say.
empowerment.
Don't tell
Sangat
Buddha.
seksi sekali, jangan kasih tahu Buddha.
But I
Tetapi
finished
saya sudah selesai
1042 sections. And it's very,
1042
very beautiful.
section,
And
sangat
I'm
indah
working
sekali.
on it every day
Dan
as hard as I
saya
can.
sedang melakukannya
And I think
setiap
I can
hari
finish it in
sebisa
1 or 2
mungkin.
more days.
Saya harap saya bisa
And
selesaikan dalam waktu
then
1-2 hari
we'll
lagi.
start
Kemudian
to
kita akan
translate it
mulai
into different
translasi
languages. My idea is to
ke dalam bahasa-bahasa
share
lain.
it with
Ide
the
saya
students
untuk
before
berbagi dengan murid
and
sebelum
teach it to
empowerment
the students before the
dan
empowerment.
mengajar
So if we do a
sebelum
5-day empowerment, the first 2 days I'm
empowerment.
going
Kalau
to
kita
explain
lakukan
what's going to
empowerment
happen.
misalnya 5 hari,
All
2
the
hari saya
empowerments I
akan
ever went to, I
lakukan
didn't know
apa
what was
yang
going
saya
on
lakukan.
at
Semua
all,
empowerment yang saya
And
lakukan
then
saya tidak tahu apa yang akan terjadi.
Sunday they say, okay,
Dan
we're finished.
tiba-tiba
And I'm like,
bilang, oh
what?
saya sudah selesai.
I
Saya
don't know
bilang,
what just
apa?
happened. It's all
Saya
in the
tidak
foreign
tahu apa yang
language.
terjadi. Semua ada dalam bahasa
Figured it out
asing.
and
Saya tidak tahu apa yang
I always
terjadi.
said in the
Saya
monastery, when I
selalu
have
bilang
my
di
own
monasteri
students,
pada waktu saya
I
punya
will make sure they
murid
know
saya
what's going
sendiri,
on.
saya akan
So
meyakinkan bahwa mereka
I'll
semua tahu
teach
apa yang
you
terjadi.
what
Saya
about
akan
the empowerment
mengajar
first, and then we'll do
tentang
empowerment. But after that, I would like to do
empowerment
some
dulu, baru
deep dive into
empowerment.
vows.
Jadi kita akan
You know, the vows you have to keep.
belajar tentang
My idea
sumpah
is
yang
you
Anda
take the
harus
empowerment, then
ambil.
that allows you to. It
Itu
allows me to
akan
teach you the vows.
membuat
And my idea is if you don't like the vows,
memperbolehkan
you can
saya
quit.
untuk
Okay, you
mengajar.
can. What do you call
Banyak
it?
kalau idenya adalah kalau Anda
Quit the
nggak
job
suka
and say,
sumpahnya,
I
Anda bisa
that was
berhenti.
a fun empowerment, but I don't want to keep those vows. So in my
Oh, ini
opinion,
empowermentnya keren, tapi
you
saya
should
nggak
have the
mau
right
sumpahnya.
to
Jadi
read the
dalam
contract
pendapat saya, Anda
before you
harus
sign it.
punya hak untuk membaca
So I will
kontraknya
give
sebelum
you
Anda
empowerment if you
tandatangan.
like,
Jadi
and
saya
I
akan
will
beri Anda
teach you
empowerment
the
kalau Anda
vows
suka,
in detail,
dan saya
in
akan
deep detail.
mengajarkan detailnya dengan baik.
And then
Dan
you can
kemudian
decide
Anda bisa
whether
memastikan
to follow this path or not follow this
apakah
path.
mau
And either way,
mengikuti
I still
jalan
love
ini
you,
atau
and I will
tidak.
still help you, and I will still be your teacher. Okay,
Apapun jawabannya, saya masih cinta
okay.
Anda, saya akan
So,
tetap mengajar
all right.
Anda.
Okay. So anyway,
Jadi
about vows, about
tentang
making a
sumpah,
promise or
tentang
making a
membuat
commitment,
suatu
I
janjian
think
atau
it's important to
komitmen, saya
know
rasa itu
all the
penting
details of the
sekali
vow.
untuk detail-detail
And
dari sumpahnya.
I love the part in the
Saya
Yoga Sutra.
suka bagian
It
di
says
Yoga Sutra
Brahmacharya
yang bilang
parigraha yamah jatideshakala samayana vachina sarvabhauma mahavarattam. This means
ini artinya
I'll say it in these forms of self-control
bentuk
mighty
dari
codes of conduct
mengontrol
meant for
pikiran
people at every stage of
itulah
their
untuk
personal
orang
development. Okay, the vows, the 10,
jadi
especially the 10
sumpahnya,
commitments of Buddhism,
terutama 10
they
komitmen
go
dari
beyond differences in
Buddha,
race or social status.
itu
Doesn't matter what
melampaui
country you're born
sosial
in,
status
doesn't
atau
matter
negara
your
Anda lain,
age or
nggak
your
peduli
power,
negara
your
Anda
color, your
di mana,
language, your family
warna,
background, doesn't matter.
bahasa, background
They
keluarga,
are the
kaya, dan
wisdom
tidak.
which has no borders
Mereka
in this
adalah
world. You don't have to
kebijaksanaan
go
yang
to
tidak ada
customs
border.
to get
Anda
these
nggak
vows.
perlu lewat
Okay.
custom untuk mendapatkan
They
sumpah
go
ini.
beyond what is modern or
Mereka
old.
keluar
They are
di
timeless.
batasan,
They
tidak
are
batas,
important
dia sangat
2,000 years ago and they are important
penting
today. They
2000
did not
tahun
change.
yang lalu
They don't
dan
have to
penting
change. They
untuk
are
sekarang.
beautiful
Mereka tidak perlu
things.
berubah.
They go
Mereka
beyond creeds and
ini
convictions. That's very
indah
interesting.
sekali,
And I grew up Christian
melampaui waktu
and
saya
I
tumbuh
was
agama Kristen.
happy, really
Saya
happy.
bahagia,
And I
saya
had a
sangat
beautiful
bahagia
church
sekali.
and
Dan saya
I
punya
had a
gereja yang
beautiful
indah
experience.
sekali.
A lot of people say they
Dan
have
saya
bad
punya
experience with
experience yang
them.
baik. Banyak orang
I
bilang
met the most amazing
experience
priests and
yang buruk,
we
tapi
had the
saya
most amazing teachings
saya
and we had the
punya
most amazing
ajaran yang
church.
indah sekali,
It's
gereja yang luar
the
biasa
morality,
sekali.
the idea about not hurting other
Moralitas
people.
tentang tidak
It's
melukai
exactly the
orang
same.
lain itu
Okay, it's
adalah
not
sama,
different.
tidak beda.
Every country,
Setiap
every
negara,
religion
setiap
that I
agama
know about,
yang saya
they
tahu,
all teach you to
mereka
be
semua
nice to other
mengajari
people,
Anda
help other
untuk
people,
baik
don't
dengan
lie,
orang
don't
lain,
cheat,
membantu
and
orang
don't
lain,
steal
jangan
other people's
bohong,
property.
jangan curi,
Things like
jangan
that.
curi
These are
pasangan orang
very
lain. Hal-hal seperti
beautiful
ini.
and they help
Hal ini
everybody.
adalah
Okay.
indah dan ini
So I
membantu
wanted to
semua
say
orang.
my
Jadi saya hanya
my
ingin
thing
bilang bahwa
about the
hal-hal
vows, about morality,
tentang sumpah, tentang
about the second
moralitas,
perfection of the
tentang
6 perfections.
kedua sempurnaan dari 6 kesempurnaan.
For many years when I was
Untuk
growing up,
bertahun-tahun
it
pada waktu
felt
saya
like
tumbuh, itu terasa
don't
seperti
do this, don't do
jangan
this,
lakukan
don't
ini,
do this.
jangan
Everything
lakukan
is
ini,
don't do
jangan
this,
lakukan ini.
don't do this.
Semuanya
And it
jangan
feels
lakukan,
uncomfortable.
jangan.
I
Jadi nggak nyaman.
my friends know.
Saya,
I don't
teman-teman
like to
saya
be
tahu,
told
saya
don't do
tidak
this
suka saya
by
dikasih tahu
anybody.
jangan melakukan ini
I'm
bagi
like, as
siapapun.
soon as you tell me don't do this, I will
Kalau
do it.
kalian bilang jangan lakukan ini, saya akan
Because I just
lakukan.
don't like people telling me
Saya
what
nggak
to do.
suka orang
So
bilang jangan
it
begini,
felt
jangan
uncomfortable
begitu.
for me.
Jadi sangat nggak nyaman
All
sekali
these
buat saya.
vows, don't do this,
Semua
don't do that, don't do that. And
sumpah ini,
something
jangan kali ini,
happened
jangan itu, jangan itu.
in
Kemudian
my
sesuatu
life. I
terjadi di
think it was
kehidupan
DCI
saya.
actually.
Saya rasa mungkin DCI kayaknya.
You cannot go in
Anda
DCI
tidak bisa
to,
bilang di DCI untuk
Uzbekistan and then go
di
to
Pakistan,
Mexico,
kemudian ke
and then go to
Meksiko,
Israel,
kemudian
and
ke
then go to
Israel,
Russia,
kemudian ke
Ukraine,
Rusia
Irpin,
atau Ukraine.
and then
Kemudian
you can't go telling
Anda
people
tidak
don't do
bisa
this, don't do
bilang ke
that.
orang jangan melakukan ini, jangan
Nobody
melakukan
likes it.
itu. Gak ada orang yang suka.
At some point in my life,
Sampai satu poin di
I
kehidupan saya
realized that I
sadar
can keep the
bahwa saya
morality better
bisa menyimpan
if you
moralitas
tell me
dengan
something
baik kalau
positive.
saya
Don't tell me
bilang
do something.
saya sesuatu yang baik.
Don't
Jangan
tell
bilang
me,
jangan
Mom,
melakukan sesuatu, jangan
don't to eat
bilang
the cake. Tell
jangan
me to eat the
bilang
donut.
makan.
Then
Makan
don't have to
donatnya.
eat the cake, you know.
Dia
Tell me
nggak perlu makan
something
cake-nya.
positive. Something
Bilanglah
I can
sesuatu
do
yang
which is
positif,
joyful.
sesuatu yang bisa
So
saya lakukan, yang
I'd
menyenangkan.
like to teach it that
Jadi
way.
saya
The
suka
second
mengajarkan
perfection.
dengan itu.
I
Jadi
don't like to tell
kesempurnaan
people,
yang kedua,
no
saya nggak suka
killing,
bilang
no killing. I
nggak
mean,
boleh
who's gonna kill
bunuh.
anybody anyway?
Siapa yang akan
You
bunuh
know. So
seseorang
I like to
anyway?
say,
Jadi
help
saya suka
poor
bilang
people,
bantu
feed poor
bantu
people,
orang
help sick people,
miskin,
go to visit cancer.
bantu
You know,
orang sakit,
do
bantu
something
orang yang punya
happy
kanker.
and
Lakukan
positive to
sesuatu
help
yang
other
happy dan
people. What's the
positif
second
untuk
one?
membantu orang lain. Apa yang kedua?
Don't steal. You know. So I
Jangan
got to walk
mencuri.
around.
Jadi
Can
saya
I take
harus
this
jalan.
cookie
Bisa
or
nggak saya
not?
ambil
You know,
cookie ini
how many
atau
cookies
enggak?
we got for all the
Berapa
students?
cookie buat semua
You
murid-murid
know,
di
and
sini?
then I don't like to think like
Saya
that.
gak
You know,
suka
I like
berpikir
it if you
dengan cara
say,
itu. Saya suka bilang
you
kalau
know,
Anda bilang ke
get a lot
saya,
of cookies and give
ya
everybody
udah,
cookies. I
bawa
like that.
semua
You know, I
cookie dan
like
kasih
something
semua
positive.
cookie. Saya
Okay.
suka sesuatu
And
yang
I think
positif.
these
Dan saya
vows, the
rasa
more you study them,
sumpah-sumpah ini semakin banyak
10
kalian belajar
commitments, the 10 Buddhist
10
commitments. You can call them Buddhist, doesn't
janji.
matter.
Kalian bisa bilang
Sarva
Buddhis,
Bhama
Kak Buddhis.
Mahavaratam. Say Sarva
Sarwa,
Bhama
Pama,
Mahavaratam. These
Mahabharata.
are for the whole everybody. Everybody
Ini untuk
will
semua
have
orang.
fun.
Semua
And
orang
my
akan
belief
bersenang-senang.
as an
Dan
old man,
kepercayaan saya sebagai orang tua,
if you keep these
kalau
commitments
Anda
and
menyimpan
you protect
janji-janji
life
ini,
and
komitmen
you
ini, Anda
share what you have
melindungi hidup
and
Anda,
you
berbagi
respect
apa yang
other
Anda
people's
punya,
marriage
dan
like that,
Anda
you
menghargai,
will just be
menghormati
really happy.
perkawinan orang lain,
Okay.
Anda akan
And
menjadi
you'll
bahagia
be all
sekali.
day you just
Dan Anda akan
happy.
bisa
You know, and you feel
sepanjang hari,
you just feel glad the whole day.
Anda
Okay.
senang aja
So
terus tiap hari.
I object
Jadi saya
if the
nggak
morality
setuju
feel like a
kalau
police, you know.
moralitas seperti
I don't like
polisi.
it.
Saya
And
nggak suka. Saya
I don't
nggak
work with the police too good.
saya
I
nggak
don't like
gitu.
people telling me don't do this, don't do this.
Nggak suka kerja
If
dengan
you
polisi.
say
Saya nggak suka
share
orang
what
bilang
you
jangan
have with other
begini, jangan
people,
begini. Kalau Anda bilang
protect
bagi ini
life,
dengan orang
you know,
lain,
every chance you
lindungi
get,
hidup
protect life, you know.
sebisa
Honor other
mungkin.
people's relationship. Enjoy it.
Hormati hubungan orang lain.
Then I think
Dan saya rasa
the result, how to know if you've
hasilnya,
been
bagaimana
following the
kalau
perfection,
Anda
the second
melalui
perfection,
mengikuti
you just will feel
kesempurnaan
happy all the
kedua,
time. I guarantee
Anda
it.
akan tahu bahwa
Okay.
Anda akan
These
merasa
are not.
happy terus.
Somebody asked
Ini
a
adalah
French monk.
seseorang tanya,
I won't say his name because I'm jealous of him.
saya nggak akan bilang namanya karena saya cemburu sama dia.
Ricard.
Matthew siapa?
Yeah,
Matthew
he
Ricard.
said,
Dia
there was a TV interview.
ada
Nobody
satu
asked me
TV
for a TV
interview.
interview.
Nggak pernah
And
tanya
they asked him,
interview pada saya.
how many
Dia
vows have
mereka
monk
tanya
has?
benar berapa
253 vows.
berapa
And
sumpah Mang
TV
dan
person
Vow.
say, oh, you must
253.
feel like you
Udah
live
orang
in
TV
jail.
bilang, oh
You
Anda
know,
seperti
you have all
tinggal
these
di
rules. You
penjara.
cannot do so
Semua
many
banyak
things.
peraturan
It
Anda
must
nggak
feel
bisa
like a jail.
melakukan
And
banyak
he
hal.
goes,
Pasti
no,
kayak
you
berusaha.
don't
No, no, no,
understand.
no.
You know,
Nggak
I
tahu,
feel
nggak
like I'm in
mengerti.
a
Saya
big
merasa
building
bahwa
and
saya
I can
merasa di
fly from the window.
building yang besar. Saya
If
bisa
I
terbang
have
dari
vow, you know, every
dari
vow it's like a
sudahlah
wing
kalau
from
saya
a bird.
punya
And I feel
sumpah
like I
karena
can
satu
fly,
sumpah
you know.
seperti
I'm like, dang, he's so beautiful.
seperti saya bilang oh dia
So
cantik
that's what the
sekali,
vows
indah
are
sekali.
for.
Jadi
Something
begitulah
joyful,
sumpah
something
itu
happy.
untuk
If you're
sesuatu
keeping
yang
them well,
indah.
they keep you out of trouble,
Kalau
trust me.
Anda menjaganya dengan
Everybody
baik, akan
thinks
membuat Anda keluar dari
the 10 is
permasalahan.
okay.
Semua mikir,
I'm
10
sorry,
masih oke.
9 is okay. That one, I don't
9
like it.
di
I give you
73
advice.
tahun. Saya
Just
kasih
let it go.
pendapat.
No, you don't need it.
Udah,
You just
nggak
don't
perlu.
need it.
Kamu nggak perlu.
And you
Kamu
will be
nggak
much
perlu
happier
sekali.
without
Anda
it.
akan menjadi
Okay?
lebih
Trust
bahagia
me.
tanpa itu.
Okay?
Percayalah
You'll be
sama
much
saya.
happier. These vows
Anda
are
akan menjadi lebih.
cool. These
Sumpah-sumpah
vows
ini
are
keren
smart.
sekali.
You
Sumpah-sumpah
know,
ini sangat
the more you keep them, the
pintar.
happier. You will be very
Semakin
happy.
Anda
And
simpan,
very
Anda
free. You
semakin
feel
bisa
very
bahagia.
free.
Anda menjadi
Okay?
lebih bebas.
The
Anda
more
akan merasa lebih bebas.
rules, the more freedom.
Semakin banyak
It's strange,
peraturan,
right?
semakin
But
kebebasan.
I
Aneh
really,
kan?
and you
Saya
just feel happy all
hanya
day.
merasa
Because you
happy
don't hurt
aja tiap
anybody.
hari
You're not
karena
hurting
Anda nggak
anybody. Okay?
melukai
Cool.
seseorang.
they're
Keren.
not for anybody else, really.
Mereka bukan untuk
But
orang
they make
lain
you happy,
sebetulnya.
and they
Mereka
will make
hanya
you
untuk
happy.
membuat Anda
And
happy
just
dan memang ini akan membuat
trust it.
kamu happy.
If every
Jadi
religion in
percayalah
history
kalau
says the same
semua
thing, maybe it's a good
agama
idea.
di seluruh dunia membicarakan hal yang
All
sama,
right.
mungkin adalah ide yang bagus.
Second one. Next
Yang
picture.
kedua, gambar berikutnya.
Okay. So this is called a Chihuahua.
Ini disebut
This is a
Chihuahua.
Mexican dog, I guess. I don't know.
Anjing Meksiko?
And when
Nggak
we
tahu.
made our first
Pada waktu kita
ACI
bikin
center in New York City,
ACI Center di New York,
we were in a we didn't have any money.
kita
We were in
nggak
an
punya
area
uang.
called Hell's
Kita di
Kitchen.
satu area
And it's
namanya
like hell.
Kitchen.
There's people
Jadi
walking
kayak
around with
neraka.
guns, and
Banyak orang
it was a
jalan-jalan
very
bawa
difficult place.
pistol,
difficult
jadi
place.
sangat
And then,
sulit dan
one
tempatnya
lady
sulit. Ada
agreed to
satu
live in
orang
the center,
perempuan
and she said,
setuju
"I
untuk
will live
tinggal
there if I
di
can keep my
center.
dogs."
Saya akan tinggal di
And
situ
we're
kalau saya
like,
bisa simpan anjing saya. Terus
okay.
kita pikir, ya udah,
And one of, by the way, that was Lama Pelma.
itu Lama
And
Pelma.
if I can keep my dogs, I will
Kalau
keep
saya
here,
bisa
And then we're like,
sama
"What's
anjing
the
saya,
dog?"
saya
And they said, "One
jagain
little
sananya.
dog,
Saya bilang
Chihuahua." So I
anjingnya
thought
apa?
this
Anjing
just a
apa?
little
Saya
dog.
Chihuahua. Saya
And
pikir
then
ini anjing kecil.
probably it's okay. It barked
Ini nggak
24 hours
apa-apa.
a day.
Ya, berngonggong 24 jam
You
sehari.
know Venerable Punsok. Some people know Punsok.
Tahu
He's
Punsong, Venerable
Nancy
Punsong,
Karen.
siapa yang tahu?
He was a beautiful monk.
Beliau
from
adalah
Haiti.
monk yang
And,
sangat
he became a monk.
beautiful dari
I
Haiti.
remember
Saya ingat,
my teacher agreed to make him a monk.
guru
But
saya
we don't
setuju
have
membuat
robes
dia
for him. And he said,
monk,
"Don't worry,
tapi
Geshe-la, I
kita
know
nggak
how
punya
to use
jubah.
a sewing machine. I'm
Oh,
pretty good
jangan
with a
khawatir
sewing
gak
machine."
salah, saya bisa
So I'm
jahit,
like, okay,
bisa pakai mesin
you
jahit.
can
Kemudian bilang, oh ya
sew your
udah,
ropes, but it's gonna happen on, next Wednesday. You have
ya,
to be ready.
kamu
So
boleh
he worked
jahit,
Tuesday night.
tapi
He worked all night. And he
itu
finished the
untuk Rebo.
ropes.
Jadi Jumat,
We have a
Selasa malam
arrangement,
selesai.
3
Kita ada
floors, right?
3 lantai,
And he did all the work on the bottom floor.
dan dia melakukan
And
kerjaannya
he
di
stayed up all
lantai
night and he
pertama.
finished his ropes.
Dia
And then he
melean
put them
semalam,
on very carefully.
kemudian
And he walk up
dipakai
the
dengan baik.
steps,
Kemudian dia naik
like this,
ke
looking
tangga
me in the
dan
eye.
bilang,
And
melihat saya di
Pancho Villa,
mata.
his name is Pancho Villa. This is the revolutionary
Villa.
from Mexico. He's just sitting on
Ini
the
revolusi
steps.
dari Mesir. Dia
And
duduk
when
di
Punzo
tangga.
go by, he's like, psh.
Dan dia bilang,
He peed on
Dia-
the ropes.
dia
Then
pipis,
I saw
dia
him,
pipis
I'm
di rot. Kemudian
And
saya
he's like-
bilang begini, kasih.
and I didn't tell. I never
Kemudian
told
saya nggak
Punzo.
bilang,
Somebody should tell
saya
him.
nggak pernah bilang.
It's
Dan
been like
seseorang
30
bilang ke
years
dia,
now.
kayaknya
I didn't tell
30
him
tahun
because I
sekali.
thought he won't
Saya
make
nggak
it to the
kasih tahu
ceremony.
dia.
So
Mungkin
he just went with
supaya dia
a
bisa.
little bit of water on his.
Jadi
The
dia
dog
pergi
was really
dengan
bad. There was
sedikit air.
another lady. Can I say her name?
Anjingnya,
I don't know. It's
anjingnya
okay.
jelek,
It's okay.
buruk sekali.
Amy Krantz.
Emigrants.
Okay, there was one lady who
Ada satu
I don't know where
perempuan.
she is now. She's probably.
Saya nggak tahu dia di mana
Is she okay?
sekarang.
It's all right to talk about a person. So
Jadi
anyway,
nggak apa-apa ngomongin.
so
dia.
Panchavia would be in
Jadi
the
Panchavia
center.
akan
And
di
one
center.
student is particularly
Satu
a
murid
difficult person.
itu sangat
And,
sulit sekali. Ada
I
satu orang
remember-
murid yang
never mind.
susah. Sulit sekali.
But whenever she came in the door,
Atau-
Panchavia would go crazy and try to bite her.
Setiap
And it was very
perempuan ini
strange,
datang, anjing ini
And I'm
mau
like,
gigit.
"Panchavia, don't do that.
Ya,
What
Nek
are you doing?"
Pancaria, jangan
And he's
lupa,
just like,
jangan melakukan
"Ah,"
ini.
go crazy. And,
Dia
and then
marah,
he used to talk it
anjingnya.
over with everybody,
Dan dia
and then
bilang
they say,
kepada setiap
"He
orang, mereka
senses
bilang, dia
something
merasa
wrong. He
ada yang nggak
knows
beres.
something
Dia
that we
tahu
don't
ada
know."
yang
Dogs are
kita
like
tidak
that,
tahu.
They
Anjing
can-
kan seperti
cats,
itu.
They
Kucing,
are super intelligent beings.
mereka
And they-
adalah makhluk yang
A
pintar
dog
sekali.
can tell
Jadi
if
seorang
you are a
anjing
person
bisa
who doesn't
melihat,
like dogs. Just looking at it.
anjing bisa
And it's very
tahu
strange,
bahwa
you
Anda
know.
nggak
And
suka
I asked her
anjing.
one
Jadi
day,
ada
"What
sekali
do you
saya
think
tanya
about
pada
dogs?"
dia,
I hate dogs.
saya
like,
bagaimana Anda perhatikan
"Hmm."
anjing? Bisa bilang,
And she didn't say anything. She didn't
saya
do
dia nggak
anything.
bilang
She
apa-apa,
didn't
dia
hurt
nggak
him.
melakukan apa, dia tidak
But when she
melukai
opened the
dia,
door, he go,
anjing itu, tapi
"Arr."
begitu
You
dia
know.
buka
And then
pintu,
I
anjing aku
feel
bilang,
like
Kemudian saya merasa
when a person's not
pada
keeping their
waktu
morality,
seseorang
can
tidak
smell
menjaga moralitas,
everybody can
Anda
smell
bisa
it. Okay,
menciumnya.
they can be
Setiap orang
famous,
mempunyai dan mereka
they can be
bisa
handsome or beautiful,
terkenal,
can be
cakep, cantik.
intelligent, they can
Mereka
be
jadi
powerful
bisa
person,
pinter, mereka
rich
bisa jadi
person.
orang yang luar biasa,
But if they're
powerful,
doing
kaya.
something
Tapi
wrong,
kalau mereka
like if they're
melakukan
cheating with
sesuatu
somebody's
yang
wife
benar,
or something,
misalnya mereka
you can smell it.
cheating dengan
It's like
istri
the
orang lain,
dog.
Anda
We
bisa
are all
bantu
like the
seperti
dog,
anjing. Kita semua
you
kayak
know,
anjing.
and we don't know why.
Dan kita
If
tidak
you
tahu
ask the
mengapa.
person why you don't like
Kalau
this
tahu
person,
mengapa,
I
mengapa
don't know,
kamu nggak suka lagi,
something
nggak tahu.
strange. Feel about
Ada
something
yang
strange.
aneh tentang sesuatu yang
And
nggak
there are
benar.
people, successful
Kemudian
people,
ada
that
orang
I
yang
have
sangat
been
sukses
with,
sekali. Dan
who can
saya
hide their faults
yang
very
bisa
well. They are sophisticated, they are
menyembunyikan
intelligent,
kesalahannya dia
they
dengan
can
baik.
hide what they're
Dia
doing
pintar,
very well.
bisa
They think, but
apa
other people can smell it. Other people around them
disembunyikan
can smell it.
kesalahan-kesalahan,
So
tapi orang-orang di sekitar
I
dia bisa
say,
dia
from my
menciumnya.
old age,
Saya rasa dari kehidupan saya
keep
yang
your
lama,
morality, keep your vows.
jaga moralitas Anda,
Don't think you
jaga.
can hide something. You can't.
Jangan pikir bahwa
Everybody's
Anda
like
bisa
Pancharia.
sembunyikan. Setiap orang seperti Pancaria, nama anjing itu kan,
Everybody's like that
Pancaria.
dog. You
Setiap orang
think
seperti
nobody
anjing
knows
itu.
what you did
Anda
or what
tahu,
you're doing.
mungkin Anda pikir
Everybody.
orang nggak tahu
They
apa
don't
yang
know
Anda lakukan,
directly.
tapi dia tahu.
They
Dia nggak
don't know
tahu
on
secara
Tuesday at
langsung.
3 o'clock you did this thing. They don't know.
Dia tidak tahu kalau
But they
pada jam
feel
2
something.
malam
They
mereka,
always
tapi
feel
mereka
something. And
merasakan
people
sesuatu.
are
Dan pada waktu
truly
orang-orang itu
keeping
benar-benar
their vows. People can
menjaga
also smell it.
sumpah
Say,
mereka, orang-orang juga bisa
Suchimpi
menjaga.
Chima.
Suci Chima.
Suchimpi Chima.
Suci
The fragrance that
Chima.
comes off the body of a person who's
Fragrant
keeping their vows.
dari
It's very interesting. And
adalah
it's not like a flower.
bau
It's like a flower. It's like a
harum
flower.
yang keluar
It's not
dari tubuh seseorang
I
yang
don't think you
menjaga
can put it
moralitas.
in a
Jadi
bottle.
seperti bunga, bukan.
Or you'd have to keep your morality
Jadi
in
saya rasa Anda nggak bisa taruh di
But,
dalam botol.
But it's
Atau mungkin Anda jaga
and
moralitas
there's
Anda
also
terus
a
bau
warmth
beli
on the
botol.
hands. I don't know if
Tetapi
you noticed. A good monk, in the
mang
monastery,
yang
they have these
bagus
super
di
gifted
monasteri,
monks, and you touch their hand, it feels like it's on fire.
dan
My
tangannya
teacher's
itu
hand,
kayak
you touch his
tangannya
hand, it
kayak
feels you have to let go because it's too hot. And I
terlalu
think it's
panas.
something to do with their
Guru
morality.
tangan saya
And
begitu,
they
kayaknya sesuatu yang
smell
berhubungan dengan
nice.
moralitas.
It's nice to
Dan
be close
mereka
to them.
bercium
There's a special
harum. Ada
smell.
satu
Then when the sewer used to overflow
bau yang
at the
khusus
Mongolian
yang
temple, and he wants me to go
harum.
dig in the sewer
Kemudian
up to
saya
my
ada
knees.
orang
He'll say,
menyuruh saya
"Suchimpi
untuk
Chima."
orang nyuruh
The
saya
smell of
gali sumur.
morality is coming out
Bau
of the
dari
toilet. I'm like,
moralitas dari
all
toilet. Saya
right.
bilang, oke.
It was a joke. Okay.
Itu satu
That's how I learned
lelucon.
this word.
Oke, itulah makanya saya ngerti belajar kata-kata ini.
People can smell what you're doing.
Orang-orang
It's
bisa
easier
mencium
to
apa yang Anda
stop doing
lakukan.
it than
Jadi
to hide it.
mudah untuk
It takes less
melakukannya
trouble. It's
daripada
less trouble
menyembunyikannya.
to be
Lebih
good
mudah
than
untuk
to
menjadi
try to
lebih
look good.
baik daripada untuk
It's much
mencoba
more
menjadi
work to try to
kelihatan
look
baik.
good when you're not being good.
Jadi banyak
You know,
masalah
are you
kalau
a
Anda
terrible
kepengen
person?
kelihatan
Are you
baik
gonna
pada
go to hell?
waktu
Of course. No, I mean
waktu.
no.
Apakah Anda orang yang buruk sekali hingga
No, I
pergi ke
mean
neraka?
just
Saya
clean it
bilang,
up. I mean,
bersihkan
there's things
aja.
in my life I couldn't clean
Ada
up for 5
banyak
years,
yang
10 years, 15 years. I
hal-hal
keep
di
trying.
hidup
Just
saya
keep
yang saya
trying.
berusaha bersihkan.
If
5
you
tahun, 10
try
tahun nggak
honestly
bersih,
to clean up
tapi
your life,
berusaha terus. Tapi kalau Anda berusaha
you'll
membersihkan
succeed.
hidup
You will
Anda,
succeed.
Anda akan
Don't go
sukses.
crazy.
Jangan
Nobody's
khawatir.
perfect. If you were perfect,
Tidak
you would
ada
not be
yang
on this
sempurna.
planet.
Kalau Anda
This planet
perfect,
is for the
sempurna, Anda
imperfect.
tidak akan ada di sini. Karena
You are
planet
born
ini adalah
here
untuk orang yang
because of the
tidak
karma of not
sempurna.
being perfect. Okay, seriously.
Anda lahir di sini
So
karena Anda
don't feel
punya
like
karma
you're a
untuk
dirty
tidak
person
sempurna.
or you're
Jadi jangan merasa
impossible.
bahwa Anda adalah orang
Don't
yang
feel like that.
kotor
Just
atau gak
slowly,
masuk
slowly
akal. Pelan-pelan,
fix it.
pelan-pelan,
Slowly, slowly fix
dirubah,
it. I
pelan-pelan
myself,
dibersihkan.
if
Seperti
I was
saya
going to do
sendiri,
something wrong, I
kalau saya
would
akan melakukan
I would
sesuatu
say,
yang
wait
keliru,
another
saya
5
akan
minutes.
bilang,
I'd say, no, I
tunggu
want to
5
do it
menit
now.
lebih. Oh,
I
saya
say,
mau
just
melakukannya
wait 5
sekarang.
minutes. How
Tunggu
about
5
4
menit
minutes?
lagi.
Okay,
Bagaimana
wait
4
4
menit?
minutes and then
Oke,
go ahead and do
tunggu
it. I'm
4
like,
menit
okay.
kemudian.
And you can do
Lakukan.
this.
Kemudian saya bilang, oke, Anda
Delay.
bisa lakukan ini.
Delay for 5 minutes. Delay
Menunda
you're
5
mad
menit.
at somebody. You want to say
Ini Anda
something.
marah pada orang, Anda
And
mau
hold your mouth for
katakan
5 minutes.
sesuatu.
See if you
Jadi
can do it.
tahan mulut Anda sampai 5
Then
menit.
tomorrow
Lihat
try
kalau
for
Anda
6
bisa
minutes.
lakukan. Kemudian
It's not going to
besok
happen in
coba
1
6
day.
menit.
It doesn't work
Tidak
like
akan
that.
terjadi dalam
Okay,
waktu
life
1
doesn't work
hari,
like
nggak
that.
terjadi
Clean
begitu.
it up
Kehidupan nggak seperti
slowly.
itu.
It
bersihkan
only took me
pelan-pelan.
72.5 years. So,
Itu hanya memerlukan saya
right.
72 tahun setengah.
Next
Nggak usah
picture.
khawatir. Berikutnya, gambar berikutnya.
When do I have to stop, Tim?
Jam berapa saya masih stop, Tim?
6:30? Okay, good.
6.30.
So I had
6.30. Oke.
something cool happen to me
Jadi saya
this
ada
year.
yang terjadi yang keren terhadap saya
I went
tahun
to
ini.
I go to the eye
Saya
doctor every 6
saya
months or
pergi ke
something. It's a good
ke
idea, or
dokter
every
mata
year. I don't
setiap
care
6
how old you
bulan
are.
atau 1 tahun, nggak
Or once
peduli
a year
Anda
or something
berapa
like that. In
tahun
case
umurnya.
something's going on.
Setiap
Okay.
tahun paling nggak
And
pergilah,
so I
siapa
go
tahu ada
every
sesuatu. Jadi
year
saya pergi
and
setiap tahun
for years. And
dan
I
udah
like the guy.
bertahun-tahun.
He's in
Dan saya suka
Flagstaff, Kushodo.
orangnya,
His
dia
name's
ada di
Kushodo. He's a wonderful guy.
namanya Crusodo.
He and his wife
Orangnya
are
luar
both
biasa sekali.
optometrists.
Dia
So
dan
he checked
istrinya
my eyes and he
optometris.
said,
Jadi dia cek mata
you
saya.
have cataracts.
Kamu
Cataract is
punya
when the
katarak.
skin
Katarak
goes
itu
white.
pada waktu
The skin color
kulitnya
changes to white.
jadi
And then you can't
putih,
see so clearly.
kemudian
Okay.
Anda nggak bisa
He said,
lihat
you're
dengan
getting
jelas.
cataracts. I said, no,
Kamu ada katarak?
I'm
Saya
fine. I
bilang
can
enggak,
read anything.
tapi saya
He
bisa
said,
baca apa
sit down,
juga. Dia
Michael.
bilang,
All my
tunggu
doctors
Michael.
are friends of mine. We like to joke, you know.
Dokter saya semua teman
One of
saya,
them,
jadi kita suka
the
bergurau. Salah
kidney
satu
doctor,
dari
what's her name? Dr. Chen.
dokter Chen bilang, Dokter Chen,
She told me some bad news about
dia
my
bilang
kidney. Then I was joking,
cerita
you know.
buruk dan saya
And she
tentang
said,
kini saya bergurau. Ada dia bilang,
do you meditate? I'm like,
apakah kamu meditate?
she said, no one
Saya
ever
bilang,
smiled when they heard this
saya
news before, you know.
saya
So anyway,
saya
he
nggak ada
said,
yang senyum
in
kalau
6
dengar
months you're
cerita
going to come
seperti ini.
back
Di
and
dalam
tell
waktu
me
6 bulan
your
Anda
eyes are
akan
not
balik,
clear because this is coming.
bilang bahwa
And I said,
6
yeah,
bulan
okay,
lagi
thanks a lot,
matamu
bye.
nggak jelas lagi.
You know,
Ya,
6 months later,
6 bulan
exactly,
kemudian
I
persis
realized I can't read so well,
saya
you
nggak
know.
bisa baca dengan
And
baik
then I said,
lagi.
oh my God, he's
Kemudian saya
correct,
bilang,
you
oh
know.
iya, dia benar.
The first doctor in history who's correct. And
Pertama dokter di
just
sejarah
kidding.
yang benar. Saya
So I
jangan
went back and I said,
bergurau.
you're right.
Saya balik,
You
iya,
know,
kamu
I have
benar.
something going on.
Saya
And he
ada yang
checked and he
terjadi.
said, well, now you have
Kemudian bilang,
cataracts. In
ya
Arizona,
kamu punya katarak di
because the sun
Arizona
is so bright,
karena
it changes
matahari
the skin
keras
of
sekali
the
itu
eye,
merubah
the skin
kulit
of
dari
the front of the
mata.
eye
Jadi kulit
becomes
dari
yellow.
mata yang depan menjadi
And then
kuning.
you don't know because you're like that all the
Nggak
time.
tahu karena kamu
So
seperti
things are
itu
getting
tiap
yellow,
hari.
but you don't know they're getting
Semua
yellow.
agak yellow,
Then
tapi kamu
it's
nggak
kind of
tahu
funny.
kalau menjadi
And then
kuning
finally it gets too
karena
thick and
agak
you
lucu.
can't
Jadi
see
akhirnya
clearly. So
terlalu
he said no problem,
tebal
we can
sehingga
do
Anda
an
nggak bisa lihat.
operation.
Lalu
And
nggak
I
masalah,
lived with a
nanti
blind
dioperasi.
monk who had a bad cataract operation.
Saya
And I'm like,
hidup dengan satu mang yang
I can
buta
use
karena
glasses, it's okay.
eh,
He said, no, things
operasi
have
kataraknya
changed.
nggak
We don't
berhasil.
cut you
Enggak,
up
saya
anymore.
nggak mau. Kita udah
We use
nggak
laser
operasi, kita pakai
and it
laser,
takes 15 minutes.
cuma
And
15
I'm
menit.
like, you're
Saya
gonna
bilang,
use a laser on the front of my eye? He said,
kamu mau
yeah.
pakai laser ke
And I'm
mata
like,
saya? Saya
nah. Then
bilang,
I talked to Jigme. She had it done
enggak.
already.
Saya
She's like,
mau
go
ngomong
ahead,
sama
Geshe
Jigme
Michael, it's
dulu,
okay.
karena Jigme udah bilang,
And
sudah
so I
melaluinya.
searched around. I
Lalu
found
Jigme
the
bilang,
best one I
oke.
could find.
Kemudian
It's
saya cari
not in
yang
Arizona.
paling baik,
It's
tidak di
in
Arizona,
California. So
di
I met
California.
this good doctor, lady.
Saya ketemu
So anyway,
dokter
I went to
perempuan
her
ini.
and
Saya
she
ke
said,
dia,
yeah,
dia bilang,
you.
ya,
She said you could go a little while. You don't have to do it right away. I said, well, I have to
oh
have
kau
a
bisa
kidney
tunggu.
transplant. I think I better get all the operations
Oh,
done
saya
first.
mau.
So she's like,
Untuk
okay,
transplant, dia bilang, oh
let's
ya
do it.
udah, yuk
And
kita
then I said, also I have to
lakukan.
go to Kyoto
Saya juga
for a
perlu ke
month.
Kyoto
She
untuk
says, wait
1
a minute,
bulan.
you want me
Dia
to
bilang,
do one
Anda
eye
mau saya
and then
lakukan
wait a month
satu
and then come
mata,
back?
tunggu 1
And I'm
bulan,
like,
kemudian
yeah,
balik.
I have to
Dan
go.
Anda
My
bilang,
students
ya,
will kill
saya harus
me.
pergi. Murid-muridnya
And
akan
she
bunuh
said,
saya.
do you know
Dia
what it's
bilang,
like to walk around with one
tahu
new
gak
eye and one old
jalan
eye?
dengan
Like,
satu
like
mata
you're gonna
tua dan
walk
mata baru,
funny and you're gonna get headaches
Anda
every day.
akan
And I said, I don't
sakit
care,
kepala
I gotta
tiap
go. So they
hari.
won't do them at the same time in case something mistake.
Karena mereka nggak mau melakukan
So we
bareng,
did it in
takut kalau
early
salah.
December.
Jadi kita lakukan awal Desember.
And the reason I tell you,
Kemudian
one reason I tell you
alasannya
is that
mengapa
probably you will have to do
kasih
it in your
alasan
life
ini. Karena mungkin Anda harus
when you
melakukan
get to
ini di hidup
70 or
Anda.
something. If you
Pada
get to
waktu
70. So
umur
it will come.
70, sesuatu kalau
probably
Anda sampai
come.
umur 70,
And
biasanya
then
datang.
I wanted to say, don't worry about it.
Saya
Just
mau
do
bilang
it.
jangan khawatir,
And
lakukan saja.
she was a very cool lady, very
Dia
fun.
lady yang
And
sangat
she
keren,
get you down on
sangat
the table and
menyenangkan
she tape
di
your head to
meja.
the table.
Terus
And I'm
di
like,
kepalamu
what?
di
And she
diikat
got this
pakai
super
tape.
strong tape. You know, she
Dia
says, I
ada
don't
tape
want you to
yang
move.
keras karena
And
saya
I'm
nggak
like,
mau kamu bergerak.
what? You know?
Dia
And then
bilang
she gave me
apa?
some drugs, and I was like,
Kemudian dia
this
kasih
is
obat.
fun. You know?
Ini menyenangkan sekali.
K-fun? K-fun.
Oke,
It's like
Kevin.
it's similar to ketamine, but I'm not. It's a drug, so they keep the person calm. You know, so
Dia
they don't move. And
membuat
then you watch her cut
orangnya
your eye.
tenang. Kemudian
From the
Anda
inside, you
lihat,
watch her cut your eye.
Anda
And
bisa
they put
melihat
a new
dia memotong mata
lens.
Anda.
They put in a
Terus
new lens.
dikasih
Bausch and
lens
Lomb, if you
baru.
know. We use their
Ocean Long.
instruments in gemology. They're very great
Kita
German
pakai instrumen di
lens
gemology.
makers. And
Itu
so
mereka
she can
adalah
watch 'em
Jerman,
put it
orang
in.
Jerman yang
And then
bikin
you just go home.
alat yang canggih.
And
Kemudian udah,
everything's
kamu bisa
fine,
lihat dia
you
lakukan,
know.
terus pulang
And
semuanya
for
baik-baik.
1 month in Kyoto,
1 bulan di
and where
Kyoto,
was it? Xiamen or something. I was traveling.
saya
One
lagi
eye,
travel. Satu mata,
brilliant colors.
warnanya
Brilliant
jelas
colors. Like
sekali,
I'm
luar biasa
10 years old.
sekali. Warnanya
Like the
kayak saya
blues
umur
are
10.
super blue and the reds are
Kayak
super
warna
red.
biru
And
sangat
the
biru,
whites
yang
are
merah sangat
like
merah, yang
snow glistening.
white
You know,
kayak
wow, you know.
kayak
And then
salju.
this
Saya bilang,
eye,
wah,
everything's
yang di
yellow,
sini
you know.
semua kuning.
And then I got headaches and all this and stuff.
Kemudian saya sakit kepala.
I have to be smile in the class.
Kemudian saya mesti
And then the
senyum-senyum di
second eye I
kelas.
got done at the end of December.
Akhirnya satunya
And
saya lakukan
it's
akhir
incredible.
luar biasa
I
sekali.
asked her.
Saya tanya kepada
I
dia,
asked her, can you do preemptive? Can you get it when you're 30 or 40?
bisa
And
gak
she said,
lakukan
yeah.
pada waktu 34 tahun,
Why
40?
not?
Dia bilang,
And
iya
I
bisa,
said, well,
kenapa tidak?
how often
Dia
do I have to
bilang,
change it? She said, you will die
karena
before I
sering
have to
terus.
change it.
Oh, kamu mati sebelum kamu
So I
mesti
just, one
rubah.
reason I'm telling you
Jadi satu
is that
alasan
you
mengapa
should
saya
know about
kasih
it.
tahu
It's
Anda
pretty
harus
new
tahu tentang ini,
and
sangat
it works
baru
good
dan
and it's amazing. It's just
sangat
amazing.
bagus,
I gave
luar
my
biasa
wife all my
sekali.
glasses.
Saya kasih istri
I
saya
just
semua
gave them all
kacamata
away. I don't
saya.
use it. You see, I
Saya
don't use them
kasih
anymore.
semua ke.
And
Kemudian
it's
saya nggak pakai
wonderful.
lagi.
So if you have a
Dan luar
chance,
biasa
do it.
sekali kalau Anda
I would
punya
wait till you're
kesempatan
50 or
lakukan.
60. Okay.
Saya mungkin
Why I'm
tunggu
talking
sampai
about
50
that?
sampai 60. Mengapa saya ngomongin ini?
They say
Mereka
if you
bilang
keep your
kalau
vows,
Anda
your eyes
menyimpan sumpah
improve
Anda, mata
like
Anda
cataract
akan
surgery.
berubah seperti
Okay, and
operasi
you can
katarak.
see emptiness much
Anda bisa
faster.
melihat
Okay,
kekosongan
it's like
dengan
getting
cepat.
cataract
Jadi
surgery.
seperti
Keeping those 10 little
menyimpan
silly things
10 hal
changes
yang
your eyes, you know. And
komitmen
I
itu
compare it
merubah
to
mata
the
Anda.
cataract surgery.
Saya
And
bandingkan dengan
you
operasi
don't know
katarak.
what it feels like
Anda tidak tahu
after
bagaimana
50 years
rasanya setelah
to
50
see
tahun
white,
untuk
to see
melihat warna
real
putih,
white, you
untuk
know.
melihat
And you're
warna
like
putih.
I was just walking
Anda
around like a
seperti
kid,
kayak
you
saya
know. I
jalan
told my
seperti
wife,
anak
look at
kecil.
that
Saya bilang ke
blue.
istri,
She's like,
wow,
what?
lihat itu birunya.
You
Dia
know, and
bilang,
I'm like,
what?
God, look at that blue, you know.
Lihat
So
birunya itu.
if you keep your morality,
Kalau Anda menjaga moralitas Anda,
you can see emptiness
Anda
much,
bisa
much easier.
melihat
It's like having
kekosongan, melihat
cataract
kekosongan
operation.
secara
And also
langsung
you can
itu
brag about
dengan
it to
cepat
your
sekali,
friends,
seperti
which is
operasi
one of the
katarak.
main
Kemudian
things I
Anda
do.
bisa nge-brag ke teman-teman Anda,
But
bangga-banggain
if
diri.
there's a way,
Kalau ada
if there's a
satu cara,
miraculous
kalau
way
ada satu cara
to see
ajaib
emptiness easier,
yang
you know,
melihat
if you can do something
kekosongan
easy to
dengan
see
mudah,
emptiness
Anda mau melakukan
faster,
sesuatu yang mudah untuk bisa
then
melihat
I'd say go
kekosongan
for
dengan
it.
cepat,
And
saya rasa
it's
lakukan.
so basic that it sounds
Sangat
dumb.
basic sekali,
Just
sehingga
keep those 10.
kedengarannya kayak
Just
bodoh.
keep those 10.
Jagalah 10
And your
ini.
eyes
Jaga
will,
10 ini bahwa
you can
mata
see
Anda
things that other people
akan
cannot
bisa
see.
melihat
Okay,
hal-hal
got it?
yang orang lain
It's
tidak
eye
bisa
surgery.
lihat,
The 10,
yaitu pengoperasian
the
mata.
10 good deeds are eye
10
surgery. Right?
eh,
Got it? That's
10
grandpa. That's
kebajikan
things you don't
itu
know till you're a grandpa.
penting. Ini adalah hal yang
I'm a
Anda
double
nggak tahu
grandpa. I
kalau
got
sebelum
another kid
sampai
coming out in 2 weeks, I
punya
think.
cucu. Saya
We call
sudah double grandpa.
a
Saya ada
bun in the
cucu
oven,
yang akan lahir lagi. Saya bilang bun dan
bread in the
oven.
oven.
Roti
She's in
dia ada di
Tucson.
oven. Dia ada di Tucson.
I should be there anyway. Okay.
Saya mestinya di situ.
Next perfection, what is it?
Kesempurnaan yang berikutnya apa?
Don't get angry. Yeah,
Jangan
they
marah.
can say
Iya,
patience. And by
jangan
the way,
marah.
patience
Kita
is many
bisa bilang
forms.
sabar. Sabar
One
itu
is
macam-macam bentuknya. Satu,
don't know, like you have to dig a
seperti
big
Anda
hole or
mesti
something. It
menggali
doesn't go
satu
very fast. You have to
lubang
translate
yang besar. Misalnya Anda
like
harus
1,200 paragraphs of an empowerment
12.000
text, and you should be patient.
paragraf, jadi
You should
Anda
just work
harus
quietly,
sabar.
keep going.
Jadi harus
You should keep going.
lakukan
And
terus,
that's
harus
one kind of
jalan terus.
patience, okay?
Itu adalah salah satu
And
kesabaran.
then the
Dan
Tsongkhapa
kemudian
says in
Tsongkhapa
Gibson's
bilang
other book,
di buku Gibson yang satunya,
he says
dia
this is the highest
bilang
form of
ini
yogi
adalah bentuk yogi yang
who
paling
can be
tinggi,
patient.
yang
Is
bisa
the
Pak
highest.
sabar.
Everyone's always asking me,
Semua
you know,
selalu bilang,
can I do
bisakah saya
Nirambana Shirshasana, unsupported headstand? That's like the only thing I can do.
unsupported headstand?
And
Jadi
you know,
headstand yang
people
tidak
say,
disupport.
can you
Orang
do
bilang,
this one? Can you do this
bisakah
one? You know, and Tsongkhapa says,
karena melakukan ini
I
bisa
can do better than that.
Tsongkhapa bilang, saya bisa
I can
lakukan
sit
lebih
with an
baik dari itu.
asshole and not get angry. You
Saya
know?
bisa duduk
And
dengan
he's like,
satu
those
orang yang
headstands
menyebalkan
with no arms, that's nothing.
tanpa marah.
But to sit with an
Headstand
irritated person for the whole day,
dengan
I mean,
tangan
you
itu
gotta
bukan
be,
apa-apa. Tapi kalau
you gotta
Anda
be a
bersama
genius
dengan
to do
orang
that,
yang
you know. So
menyebalkan
he
tanpa
says
marah,
the
Anda harus
highest
jadi
retreat
serius. Jadi yang retreat
is
yang
to
paling tinggi
sit next to an irritated
adalah
person
duduk
in the
dengan
car.
orang
From my
yang
house, it's 8 hours
menyebalkan.
to Diamond Mountain. By the way, Rob, you're
Rumah
not
saya
here today.
10 jam
I'm
jam
talking about
dari
it.
sini.
I'm
Saya
talking about a possible
menyebutkan
situation.
satu
If you had to
kemungkinan yang bisa
sit
terjadi
next
kalau
to an
Anda
irritated
harus
person
duduk
all the way for 8
dengan
hours,
orang yang menyebalkan
and
selama
that would be a
8 jam,
difficult thing, right?
dan itu akan
And
menjadi hal
Tsongkhapa
yang
says,
menyebalkan. Dan
you
Tsongkhapa
take
bilang,
those. By the way,
Anda
this is not
ambil ini
my
bukan
yurt, but when I saw
bukan
it
lihat saya,
online,
tapi waktu
it's
saya
perfect. It's
melihatnya
exactly what
itu
my
perfect
yurt looked
sekali.
like, and it's
Itu
exactly what the
sebenarnya
mountains
yurt
look
saya.
like behind it. But
Kelihatannya seperti ini
that place
gunungnya.
is so remote that we're trying to find it nowadays on a map. No, there's nothing
Tempatnya
there.
sangat
No humans
remote,
ever there.
jadi gak ada
And
manusia yang pernah ke sana.
we're trying to visit it, but we
Kita
don't know where
kepengen
it is. So
pingin ke
you know,
sana.
it feels tough. We
Jadi
did a tough
kelihatannya
retreat.
susah.
We
Jadi kita
did
ada
not talk.
retreat yang tough.
You know, I
Kita
talked
tidak berbicara.
once,
Saya cuma berbicara
twice,
sekali, 2
3
kali,
times.
3 kali.
Twice was I got angry. One was
Terus yang
there was a
kedua saya
very large
marah.
snake, and I
Yang
was trying to
ketiga
tell the
ada
person. And
ular
so
besar. Saya berusaha memberitahu
you know,
kepada
it seems
seseorang.
difficult. It was very difficult to
Sulit,
spend 3 years. We didn't
sulit
have
untuk
toilet.
3 tahun.
We didn't have
Kita gak ada toilet,
electricity.
gak
We
ada
didn't have
listrik,
heat. We didn't have air
gak ada
conditioning.
panas, gak ada
We had
AC.
a small stove,
Stove.
wood fire.
Kita
But it
masak
was
pakai
difficult.
api,
It's very
tapi
difficult.
sulit.
And he says it's
Di
much more
beliau
difficult
bilang
to
sangat
sit
lebih
next to an
sulit
irritating
untuk duduk
person
dengan
than to
orang
do a
yang
3-year
menyebalkan
retreat.
daripada melakukan
Okay,
retreat 3
Tsongkhapa
tahun.
said that. You
Itu
know, I'm like,
Tsongkhapa yang bilang. Saya
you're right.
bilang, iya,
It's
benar.
to keep your patience
Untuk
with a
menjaga
truly
kesabaran
difficult
Anda
person
dengan orang yang sangat sulit,
is harder than
itu
to do a
lebih
long
susah
retreat. By the way,
daripada
Tim asked
melakukan
me
retreat
to
long.
cover
Tim
some topics
minta
that you
saya
could
untuk
meditate on
cover
during your
topik
retreat,
supaya Anda
and
bisa
I'll give it to you
berfokus.
either today or tomorrow morning. Okay?
Nanti
All right,
kalau
so
nggak
I'll
besok
have that
pagi
ready
saya
for you.
kasih. Saya sudah
Maybe
bersiap
today.
bahannya. Mungkin
6:30,
hari
Tim?
ini.
Okay.
Jam 6.30 Tim.
Yeah, so he
Ya,
says
jadi
if you have to
beliau
choose
bilang kalau Anda harus
between a
memilih
3-year retreat
3
and an
retreat 3
irritating
tahun
person,
dan
this
orang
one's
yang
more difficult.
menyebalkan,
Like especially if you're married to them
orang yang menyebarkan
or they're your
itu
partner.
sulit, terutama
It's
kalau itu adalah
it's harder.
Anda
It's more hard.
menikah
It's
dengan
more
dia.
difficult.
Misalnya
Okay?
itu pasangan
It's
Anda
more
itu lebih
difficult to be
sulit
patient
lagi.
than to
Sangat
sit in a yurt
sulit untuk
and
lebih
meditate all day.
sabar
Okay?
daripada
It
duduk
really is.
meditasi
And
sepanjang
by the way,
hari.
it was one of the
Dan
most wonderful
omong-omong
things in my
adalah
life
salah
to
satu hal yang
do that
paling
retreat.
indah untuk melakukan
Anyways,
retreat itu.
unbelievable.
Luar
So
biasa sekali.
this place here is very important for your life. If you can do
Tempat
a
ini di
1
sini
week retreat, a
sangat
2
penting
week
sekali. Anda
retreat.
bisa
I
lakukan
didn't
1
start
minggu,
with
2
3
minggu.
years.
Saya gak
You know,
mulai
there
3
was a
tahun.
time in my life when I
Ada
was
satu
doing
waktu di hidup saya pada
4
waktu
months
saya
retreat a year.
melakukan 4
For a long
bulan
time,
retreat,
maybe for 10 years or something. So
mungkin
this,
10 tahun.
you know, you have to build up to it.
Anda mesti
It'd be
bangun
foolish to
pelan-pelan.
just go into a 3-year retreat.
Jadi
You
nggak
should
bisa
do many
langsung lompat ke
weekends.
3 tahun.
Get
Anda
used
harus
to it,
lakukan
and then do 3
weekend
days,
seperti
and then 4
biasa,
days. Okay,
3
and
tahun,
that's
3
fine. That's
hari,
how you
3
should
hari,
do
4
it.
hari. Ya,
Otherwise, you're
nggak
just
apa-apa,
wasting
memang harus
time.
begitu.
Okay,
Kalau
you
nggak, Anda
cannot
akan
go
banyak
into a
buang
1 month
waktu. Anda
retreat
nggak bisa masuk ke
without
retreat 1
short
bulan
retreats first. It's
tanpa
a waste of
retreat
time.
pendek.
Okay.
Jadi akan membuang waktu.
You want to hear a famous, funny story? I told you, the guy sitting on the road
Ada cerita
in
lucu,
Tibet.
saya udah ceritakan ada
There's the
orang
road.
duduk
The
di
guy's walking by. The guy's
ada
meditating.
orang
And he
duduk di pinggir
says,
jalan,
the
orangnya
guy's walking
jalan,
down the road in Tibet. This is a
orangnya
famous
jalan.
joke in the monastery.
Ini
Guy's
adalah
walking down the
lelucon
road in Tibet. There's this other guy
lelucon
sitting by the side of the
terkenal.
road in
Ada
deep
orang duduk
meditation.
di dekat
And the guy's looking at him and
jalan
said,
meditasi.
"God, that
Orang
guy
ini
can
bilang,
meditate
wah,
on the
orang tuh
side of
bisa
a busy road.
meditasi di
That
pak
guy's
sebelah
amazing, you know."
jalan yang
Then he goes
sibuk.
over and he whispers
Kemudian
to him, you know,
dia berbisik kepada
"Hey,
orang itu,
what? How you meditate next to the road all day, so busy, cars,
gimana
everything.
kamu
Yeah, I'm doing it.
meditasi di sepanjang
What are you
jalan?
meditating about?
Orang udah
Patience.
sibuk.
I'm
Apa
meditating
yang
on
kamu
patience.
meditasi apa? Saya meditasi
Huh.
kesabaran.
You look like an asshole. What?
Kamu kelihatan kayak asshole. Terus dia,
And he got angry and
lompat.
jumped on
Terus
me.
dia marah, dia lompat.
Understand? It's an old
Mengerti?
monastery joke.
Ya, itu
Don't
adalah
tell these bad
lelucon
jokes unless you know the
monastirnya.
student well. Okay. Then
Jangan cerita
there's a famous line here called
lelucon buruk ini. Terus ada
Langdo
lagi
Gja. Say Langdo.
Langdo,
Da. Langdo.
Landro,
Da. I
Da.
think it's Urdhvaga. It's a
Itu
snake.
artinya
It's called
ular.
the creature that goes on its palm.
Ular yang
The creature that
ada
travels on
di
its palm. Langdo.
Jadi
Lak means palm of the hand.
Landro itu
Its
artinya
nickname for a snake, poetic
telapak
name for a
tangan.
snake is
Poetic name untuk
hand
ular
traveler, palm traveler,
itu
because they travel on their
palm traveler.
stomach, you know.
Karena
And
mereka
then the
jalan di
Ga
perut.
is Garuda.
Dra itu Garuda.
Jakyum. Say Jakyum. Is a
Jakyum
Garuda
bilang.
bird, like a mystical
Jadi
bird,
guru
phoenix,
Garuda
similar to a phoenix.
kayak sama kayak
And in the
phoenix.
traditional stories, the eagle,
Di cerita
Garuda will
tradisional,
eat the snake.
Garuda
Okay.
akan makan
And I was
ular.
in 3-year retreat. I saw many strange things. We were in a very wild
Saya
place.
di retret 3
No human
tahun
ever
banyak
been
lihat
there.
hal yang aneh-aneh.
And there were animals
Aneh-aneh,
there you
ada
wouldn't
manusia
believe.
tinggal
I
tuh.
could tell you.
Ada
I
banyak
wrote a book about
binatang di situ. Saya
but
malah
I
tulis
never
buku tentang
published
itu.
it
Saya nggak pernah
because
mempublikasikan
halfway through the retreat, the animals start
karena
talking to each
separuh.
other.
Karena separuh tengah
And I
jalan
wrote down the
binatangnya
story,
mulai
and then I never
berbicara
published it
antara
somehow.
masing-masing,
But
tapi
I
saya
will
nggak
someday,
pernah
okay?
publis. Mungkin
I just
suatu
need
hari
to
saya akan.
not go to board meetings all the time.
Saya cuma nggak perlu meeting terus. Jadi,
So, anyway, we saw an eagle
ya,
come down
kami,
and
kami
grab a
lihat satu
rattlesnake.
eagle
These are big rattlesnakes.
datang
And
dan
flew off and ate it in the
makan,
sky. We were watching it. This is a
ambil
highly
ular dan
poisonous
dibawa
snake,
lens.
you know.
Ini adalah
And they
ular
just
yang sangat
grab 'em
berbisa.
and
Mereka
go
hanya
fly
ambil
off, you
aja
know.
dan
And
terus
it was amazing.
itu
It
luar
was just
biasa
amazing.
sekali.
And then
Luar
there
biasa
was a
sekali.
people
Jadi ada orang-orang
south of California,
di
near
California
now
Selatan,
Jalisco, right?
di dekat Bahal
In
Jalisco,
Jalisco,
di
near
Jalisco,
Guadalajara,
dekat Guadalajara,
Vallarta.
apa
And
itu namanya? Vietnam.
there used to be a tribe of people there. And
Ada
they have a
satu
shaman,
suku di situ
like
yang
an
ada
Ishu,
syamannya, kayak
a magic guy.
penyihir,
And
orang yang bisa
he
melakukan
got a
magic.
message from God.
Ini ada
And the
pesan dari
message is,
Tuhan dan
you people have to
pesannya
leave this
adalah
place immediately.
orang-orang harus
The whole
meninggalkan tempat ini dengan
population
cepat.
has to leave
Semua
immediately. All
populasi
race of
harus
people
cepat
have to
pergi.
leave
Semua
immediately.
race
And
orang-orang
go
harus
walk
pergi
to
dan
the east.
pergi jalan ke
You know,
timur.
just walk to the east.
Jalan aja ke
There's
timur.
something waiting for you.
Terus ada
And
sesuatu yang menunggu ada di
then they're
sana.
like, whoa, what are we
Kemudian
supposed to
mereka
do?
bilang, wah, terus kita mesti
Keep walking
ngapain?
until you see an
Jalan
eagle
aja
eating a snake in the
sampai
sky.
Anda melihat
And then stop
satu
and build a city.
eagle
Yeah.
makan
And so they
ular, dan
walked halfway
kemudian
across
berhenti
Mexico,
dan
more
bikin
than
satu
halfway.
kota. Kan
And
mereka
they saw
jalan-jalan,
the eagle eating the
eagle, mereka
snake,
melihat ada
and they
eagle
built Mexico
makan
City.
ular dan mereka
And a
membangun
very
kota
terrible
Meksiko.
place.
Satu tempat yang paling
There were
buruk
9
sekali.
lakes or 7 lakes.
Ada 9
It used to be too many
ki-
lakes, volcanoes. Where's that place?
ada gunung Merapi,
what's that place? All the volcanoes.
apa namanya yang tempat yang banyak gunung
Anyway, it's
apinya, Gunung
dangerous.
Merapi.
Lots of
Jadi
earthquakes
itu banyak
and
gempa bumi, tempat yang
lots
sangat
of weird stuff
berbahaya,
going on. But they
banyak
saw the
hal-hal
eagle.
yang
They
aneh.
decided,
Tapi
why are you
mereka,
talking about the eagle,
udah,
Geshe-la?
mengapa Anda
They
berbicara tentang
say
eagle,
anger
Geshe-la?
is
Mereka
like a snake.
bilang, anger,
And they
kemarahan
say
itu
the
kayak
patience of
ular,
a
dan
strong
mereka
person is like the
kesabaran
eagle,
dari seorang
like the Garuda.
eh,
And it can
kesabaran
destroy
itu
the
seperti
snake.
Garuda,
They
kayak
can
eagle,
eat the
bisa
snake. So
mereka
there's a
bisa makan
skill
snake, bisa
of
makan
riding the
kemarahan.
anger.
Jadi ada
There's
satu
a
cara
skill
untuk
of you don't
menumpangi
fight your
kemarahan.
anger. You
Mereka Anda
jump
tidak
on the
melawan
tiger
kemarahan,
and
tapi
you ride
Anda
it.
lompat ke
And that's
harimau
a
dan
very beautiful
menungganginya. Ini adalah
skill.
salah
And the
satu
way
keterampilan
to
yang
do
luar
it
biasa, dan cara
is
untuk
the pot on
melakukannya
the stove.
adalah pot
Okay,
yang
you
ada
want
di
to ride a
kompor,
tiger,
panci yang
you
dikocok.
want
Anda
to
mau
eat the
naik
snake,
ke harimau, Anda mau
pick
makan
up the
ular,
poison snake.
ambil ular yang
You
berbisa,
know, then
dan
you gotta
dan
understand the
kemudian
pot.
Anda harus
That's all.
mengerti tentang
Geshe-la, can you explain it? No,
panci yang di
that's up to you. Ask
kompor. Geshe-la bisa jelaskan?
Gibson
Nggak
or
bisa.
Rom,
Tanya Gibson
right?
atau Rob.
Okay,
Ya,
but
oke.
you can use anger.
Tapi Anda
You
bisa
can ride on
menggunakan,
the
Anda
tiger
bisa menungganginya, Anda bisa
and you
menaik
can
atas
fight it that
harimau,
way.
dan Anda
And it's
bisa
very beautiful. And it's in
melawannya dengan cara itu.
it's in this one, okay?
Itu ada di sini.
I used it recently. I was
Terakhir ini saya,
couple years
apa itu
ago, someone
namanya,
came to me and
beberapa
said,
tahun yang
we
lalu ada orang
make
ke saya
films
bilang,
for
oh
Netflix,
kita bikin film untuk
and
Netflix,
we want to make a movie about you.
kita
I'm
mau
like,
bikin
oh
movie untuk
well,
Anda. Dan saya bilang, oh ya,
okay.
oke.
And so
Kemudian
they're almost finished.
mereka
Halfway through the
hampir
movie, I
selesai.
changed the movie. I
Setengah
said,
di
I want to
movie-nya
teach
saya
about
rubah.
death. I
Saya mau
want
ngajar
people
tentang
to learn how
kematian.
to die. I
Saya
don't want them to
mau
see how
orang-orang
famous it is,
belajar
Michael. I want to make a
mengerti
movie
tentang
about
kematian.
Geshe
Saya nggak mau
Michael
mereka melihat
and teach
betapa
people how to die.
terkenalnya
So we
Geshe
changed
Master,
it. We
tapi
changed the movie,
bagaimana untuk
and
mati
it's
dengan
beautiful.
benar.
It's
Jadi
almost
saya
finished.
rubah,
Okay.
sangat indah sekali, hampir
Then I
selesai.
got another letter
Kemudian
from
saya
email from
dapat
HBO.
surat
This is like
email
very
dari
famous.
HBO.
They say we want to make a
Kita
movie about how
mau
terrible you
bikin
acted at
movie
Diamond Mountain. And I'm
bagaimana
like,
kamu
what? I wasn't even here. I
jeleknya
was in
segala
Argentina.
tidak. Saya malah
And
nggak di sini,
something
saya
bad
di
happened here. We
Argentina.
had a problem
Ada
with a student,
sesuatu
and
terjadi di
one student
sini,
passed
ada yang
away,
sesuatu yang
and it
buruk,
was in
ada
all the
satu murid
newspapers and
mati,
all
ada di
over.
koran dan lain-lain.
So that movie also coming out. I think they're
Movie itu
competing.
juga keluar, jadi kayaknya itu
Okay. One movie about how bad I
berkompetisi.
am, and one
Satu
movie
movie lihat
how
begitu
great I am. I
buruknya
like
saya,
the
dan
first
satu
one.
begitu banyak. Saya suka
Uh,
yang pertama.
okay.
Oke.
About what I would meditate about.
Tentang
Okay.
apa yang
And
akan
I
saya
have it here.
meditasikan, dan
It's
saya tinggal
the
di
SS
sini.
12.1.
Ini SS
Okay.
20,1.
This is right after I saw emptiness.
Ini
Okay, I think I
langsung
was 22 or 23 or
setelah saya
something.
melihat
And my teacher
kekosongan,
never
kayaknya sejak
take a
122,
break.
guru
Never.
saya tidak pernah
And one day he
berhenti.
said,
Satu
let's take
hari
a
dia
break.
bilang,
And I'm
yuk
like,
kita
are you
istirahat.
okay? And
Ayo,
he's like, let's
apakah
go to
Anda
a
oke?
park. You
Ayo
know, let's
pergi
take
ke
all the students to a
ke
park.
taman. Mari
I'm
kita
like,
bawa murid-murid
why?
ke
And
taman.
he
Terus
says,
saya tanya,
I want to
mau
play
apa?
baseball.
Saya
He
mau
saw
main
baseball on the
baseball.
TV,
Dia
and he
lihat
said he
baseball di
wants to play
TV, kemudian dia mau
baseball.
main
So
baseball.
we had a wonderful time. We went to
Jadi
a
kita
park
ada
in
waktu
Lakewood.
yang
If you know
menyenangkan
Lakewood.
sekali
Were you
ke
there?
satu tempat di.
And we divide into two teams,
Kita
vegetarian and
bagi dua tim,
non-vegetarian.
vegetarian dan non-vegetarian.
At that time, I was vegetarian. My
Waktu itu
teacher was
saya
not
vegetarian,
vegetarian.
guru
And
saya
so we
tidak
said we
vegetarian.
challenged the
Kemudian
meat eaters. We will
kita
show the vegetarians are stronger.
tantang bahwa orang yang
And we had a
vegetarian lebih kuat daripada
very
yang
cool
makan
baseball
daging.
game, and he was the
Jadi
umpire. He was
sangat
the
keren
judge.
sekali permainan. Dia
And we had
jadi
a big
judge-nya,
fight, and the
terus
vegetarians
kita
won.
punya
And
yang tim vegetarian
so he
menang.
said, see, you can be
Sudah dia
stronger with
bilang,
vegetarian. So anyway,
kamu bisa kuat dengan
so that was
vegetarian.
right after I saw
Kayaknya itu setelah
emptiness,
saya
and
melihat
this is
kekosongan.
joyful effort, right?
Ini
This is the
adalah
fourth fourth,
joyful effort adalah
perfection. And
kesempurnaan
it's the
yang
next
keempat.
one. And
Yang
if
berikutnya
I show it to you, it's
kesempurnaan yang
this picture.
kalau
Okay, if I show
ini
you what
adalah
it
gambar
feels like,
ini. Kayak itu
it's
kalau
this
mau saya
picture.
tunjukkan bagaimana
And
rasanya itu seperti
you
gambar
just
ini.
feel so happy that you
Seperti
beat that
Anda
meeting.
merasa
You know,
senang
I
sekali
mean, it's
karena
like,
Anda
wow,
mengalahkan
you know, cool, you know.
grup
So
yang
there's
makan daging.
6 perfections, right?
Jadi ada
There you
6
go, like that, right?
kesempurnaan.
Yeah, Chinese go like that.
Orang Chinese
Americans
seperti
go,
ini ngomong. Kalau Amerika bilang begini. Kayak salah menunjukkan jari-jarinya.
you got the last 2 hang together, right? Meditation
Jadi
and
yang
wisdom.
terakhir
Shamatha did
meditasi
this
dan
shadow, basically.
kebijaksanaan,
Deep
vipassana
meditation
dan
and then
vipassana.
understanding emptiness. These 5 and 6 obviously go
Jadi
together.
5 dan 6 itu
You need the
bersama-sama.
platform. You need the base
Meditasi dan
foundation
kebijaksanaan.
of
Anda
deep
perlu
meditation. Then you
fondasi
can meditate
untuk
on emptiness. And
meditasi
we're going to cover it later.
yang kuat supaya bisa
Then you have the first 3
mengerti
perfections. We
tentang
just finished
kebijaksanaan.
them, right?
Yang
Where are they?
ketiga
Number
udah
1,
selesai, nomor 1
you giving.
kesempurnaan tentang pemberian,
Charities for
berbagi,
corporations. Giving.
giving, memberi.
Yeah, ethical life.
Yang nomor 2
Patience.
hidup yang etis.
Grab the
3
anger, eat it up.
kesabaran,
Okay.
ambil
So there's 3.
kemarahan, makan.
Those 3 hang
Jadi
together.
ada 3 ini
These 2 hang
bersama-sama,
together.
yang
And
2
there's
ini
one between
sama-sama.
them.
Ada 1
And
yang
it's
di
called
antara itu.
Sundru in
Ini disebut
Sanskrit.
sundru,
It's virya,
di bahasa Sanskrit disebut virya.
which virtue comes from strength, strong.
Dibilang
But it means
kekuatan.
have a good time.
Kekuatan.
Doing
Sebetulnya
good
artinya
stuff, you know, have a good
mempunyai
time. Don't
waktu
do it
yang
like this, you know.
menyenangkan.
What are you doing? Oh, I'm keeping my morality. It's so boring. I wish I
Ini
could have some
menyebalkan.
fun.
Oh, saya
By the way,
Saya
morality
harap
should be
saya
super
bisa
fun, okay?
menyenangkan. Sebetulnya moralitas itu
If
mestinya
it's not fun, you're
menyenangkan.
doing it wrong.
Karena nggak
Okay,
menyenangkan
trust
berarti
me.
Anda melakukannya
Okay,
dengan
so
cara yang
anyway,
salah.
they
Jadi
say the
percayalah
first 3
dengan saya.
perfections go
Jadi
together,
yang 3
and the last 2
kesempurnaan itu
perfections go
bersama,
together.
yang
But
2 terakhir bersama-sama, tetapi
working
yang
hard
1
with
ini
joy
bekerja dengan
is in
joy,
between, and it goes both ways.
bekerja
It
dengan
supports both. Number 4
kesenangan itu
supports meditation and emptiness,
membantu
and number 4
meditasi dan
supports
kekosongan. Nomor 4
giving,
itu menyupport
ethical life, and patience.
memberi
Okay. Now, my
moralitas, etik,
suggestion for
dan
your retreat, 4-day
kesabaran
retreat,
dan usul
go through
saya
the
untuk retret
6
Anda
perfections, meditate on the 6
lakukan
perfections,
meditasi ke-6
use the book. Okay,
kesempurnaan,
it's a
gunakan
good book.
bukunya, duduk dengan bukunya,
Gibson's Song of My Spiritual Life.
buku
And
dari
go through the
Gibson,
book,
Songs
follow
of
the book
Spiritual
during your
Life.
meditation.
Ikuti
Okay,
buku
so
itu
when
pada waktu
read a
meditasi.
little bit of the book. If it's
Jadi
me, I'll
baca
divide the 6
bukunya.
perfections.
Kalau
I'll divide how many
saya akan
sections you have,
bagi berapa
and
section kalian
divide
punya,
them before you start.
kemudian
You know, I'm going to
dibagi dulu
meditate
sebelum
about
Anda mulai.
giving
Saya
for the
akan
first
meditasi
2
melalui
sessions. Then the next 2
tentang pemberian
sessions
session
I'm going to work
kedua.
on ethics.
Misalnya, kemudian sesi
And
berikutnya
then
saya akan
my
etik.
request,
Kemudian
work through the 6
permohonan
perfections
saya
during your
lakukan 6 kesempurnaan ini
meditations in your
pada
retreat.
waktu Anda melakukan
But
meditasi di retreat Anda.
the
Tetapi
koan, what's koan?
koan,
It's a
tetapi
riddle. It's a
koannya
Japanese
itu
Buddhist thing.
adalah
They give you a
di
riddle like, I don't know,
Japanese punya
what's the
riddle.
largest pencil in the world?
Pensil apa yang paling besar di dunia?
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania.
You're from Pennsylvania.
Kamu dari
You
Pennsylvania.
didn't even know
Berdiri,
that?
kamu malah nggak tahu. Hai.
No, I mean, koan means in the Japanese
Koan
Buddhism,
artinya dalam
your teacher will
Buddhis
give you a riddle.
Japanese,
They'll say,
guru
okay,
Anda
think
akan
about
kasih
this
riddle. Oh, coba pikirkan
for
tentang
4 days, right?
untuk 4
There's a
hari.
joke in the
Ada
monastery.
satu
If you want to
lelucon di
ruin
monastery
someone's
di
retreat,
Biara. Dia mau
tell them not to
menghancurkan
think
salah
about the pencil
seseorang.
joke. And they will think
Kasih
about it
tahu
the whole
jangan
day.
pikirkan tentang ini, mereka akan
Anyway,
memikirkan itu
I
selama
want you to
panjang
go
hari.
through
Jadi
the
saya
6
ingin kamu
perfections.
untuk
Half
melalui
the
6
time is for the first
kesempurnaan,
3, half the time
yang
is for the second
separuh
2.
untuk 3
But
pertama, yang
the koan,
separuh untuk
where you will
kedua yang
find
terakhir.
wisdom,
Koan, di mana
where
Anda
you
akan
will change your
melakukan
life,
di mana akan
is every
menemukan
day, all day,
kebijaksanaan
I want you to ask,
adalah pada
what
waktu
is joyful
setiap
effort?
hari sepanjang waktu
How
Anda
can I do
tanya,
joyful effort? How
joyful
can I
effort
learn
itu
joyful
apa?
effort in this week?
Bagaimana saya
In these 4
bisa
days,
belajar
Geshe-la
4
gave
hari
me homework.
ini?
One,
Geshe-la kasih
what
homework
the hell
saya.
is joyful effort?
Apakah
Okay,
joyful
and how
effort
can you use
itu?
it with these 3 and these
Bagaimana
2?
Anda
Okay,
bisa
like that.
menggunakan
Okay,
3 dan
come up
2
with
ini?
some application
Keluarlah
of
dengan
joyful effort
satu
and try to
aplikasi
feel
tentang
joyful
joyful
effort.
effort
Joyful effort
dan
is like,
berusaha rasakan.
sit-ups,
Joyful itu
raising
seperti
money, I can
haha,
get more money, yay! You know, like that, okay? And you feel
mesti senang
excited
sekali,
all
mesti
day, okay? You
gembira
feel
sepanjang hari.
happy. You feel
Anda
just
seperti
super
senang.
happy all day to do
Jadi
cool
Anda
stuff,
senang terus
cool
setiap
stuff,
hari untuk
do good
melakukan
things for
hal-hal
people.
yang keren. Lakukan
And
hal-hal
I
yang baik
want you
untuk
to try
orang
to feel
lain.
it.
Dan saya mau Anda
So what
merasakannya.
you can do is meditate about
Jadi apa yang Anda bisa
nice things
lakukan
you
adalah
might do when you get
meditasi
home.
tentang hal-hal yang
After
akan
retreat,
Anda
nice things
dapatkan
you can
pada
make a
waktu
list.
Anda
You don't have
pulang.
to do all of them,
Hal-hal
okay?
hal-hal
Maybe
yang
out of 100
baik
you'll
yang
do 3
akan
of them.
bisa lakukan
That's okay. Make a list of
pada
nice
waktu
things
Anda
you can do for
pulang.
people. Keep a
Dibikin
journal.
daftar hal-hal yang Anda
Make a
bisa
list of some
lakukan
sweet
pada
things
waktu
you
Anda
can do for
pulang.
other people. But get into it.
Lakukan
You know,
hal-hal
start
baik
try
yang
to feel
manis yang
the
bisa lakukan pada orang lain dan
excitement
rasakan itu.
about
Rasakan
these
kesenangan
plans.
itu,
90% of plans don't
kebahagiaan.
happen. It's okay. Don't worry about it.
90%
Don't
dari
get
plan rencana itu
10%
tidak
is
terjadi.
worth it.
10%
If you
terjadi
do
itu sudah
10%
bagus
of it, it's
sekali.
worth it.
Kalau Anda
Make
lakukan
some cool
10%
plans
dari
for your
rencana,
life.
lakukan
My
10 plan
what we teach in
rencana-rencana
Innovation
terhadap
through
hidup
Stanley's
Anda.
group.
Waktu saya
I
ngajar
used
Innovation
retreat
Tuesday di
from
grup
my whole
Stanley,
corporate career, 19
saya
years
menggunakan
in the
retreat
diamond business.
di
I
19
used
tahun
retreat
di bisnis
constantly
berlian.
for
Saya
new
menggunakan
ideas.
retreat untuk ide-ide
And I
baru.
believe that's why we
Dan saya
became number
percaya
1 in the world. I believe
mengapa
that's we
kami
started
menjadi
with
nomor 1
nothing.
di dunia. Kami
We
mulai
started
dengan
with a
nol,
$50,000 loan.
cuma 50.000
And at the
utang.
end, we were the largest
Terakhir
jewelry
kita
company in the
adalah
world.
perusahaan
And
terbesar di dunia.
and I say it's because of
Dan saya
retreat.
bilang
It's
itu
because
karena
I learned
retreat.
how to do retreat.
Karena saya belajar melakukan retreat.
So work hard
Jadi
and retreat.
bekerjalah
And
dengan
don't sit there
keras
and
di
look at the
retreat. Jangan
calendar.
duduk dan lihat
Like how many
kalender.
more days I got
Berapa
before I
hari
get out of
lagi ya
here?
sebelum saya
It's
keluar
not like
dari
a
sini.
jail, okay?
Ini
You're
bukan
so
jail,
lucky
bukan penjara. Anda
to have
begitu
the
beruntung
time,
sekali untuk bisa
someone
mempunyai
feeding
waktu.
you, you know, someone
Seseorang
taking care of
bisa
you, someone
ngasih
built you a
makan, menjaga
cabin.
Anda,
Let's give a hand to all the people
membangun
who built that
Anda.
cabin.
Kasih tangan,
Stand
tepuk
up.
tangan kepada orang yang membangun cabin-cabin di sini.
By the way, you know the deal. The deal was you build your own cabin, you pay for your own cabin.
Mereka
And they'll
bangun
pay for the
cabinnya
food.
sendiri.
We'll figure out the food, and the food was $1.5 million.
Dan makanannya itu 1,5 juta.
Singapore was one of the greatest.
Singapura adalah
businesses
salah
ever
satu
here.
bantu yang besar.
But so
Tetapi
the deal was if you build a cabin, you have to give it away
kalau Anda
at the end.
bangun
You have to give it to
cabin
Diamond
Anda
for
harus
free, and they'll
berikan
put that.
kepada
Okay. So
Diamond
when you sit in
Mountain.
those cabins,
Dan waktu
and
Anda
they
tinggal di
died
cabin
to
itu,
make those
kalau
cabins. And the last
memberikan
cabin was approved
cabin yang
the day
terakhir di
before we started
cabin
retreat. I think the last 2 or
sebelum
3
kita
cabins.
mulai. Yang
We were
cabin
lucky because we had a
2-3
fat guy
terakhir
for the
karena
inspector.
kita
And
beruntung
the
karena ada
last cabin
inspektor.
was the one up on the
Cabin
hill.
itu yang terakhir
And
di
he's like,
atas. Dia,
and
dia,
then you look up there and we said,
dia
we got
lihat
one more.
saya,
He says,
saya bilang,
it looks okay.
ya lu kelihatannya oke. Inspekturnya gendut,
Okay?
jadi jalannya capek
So
karena
enjoy the
tinggi
cabins. They
tempatnya.
have a good karma.
Jadi
And those
ya
people,
nikmatilah cabinnya
they're not
karena
rich
mereka
people.
punya
They
cabin
did
di
the work
situ,
themselves.
karmanya baik,
So
mereka bukan
it's a
orang-orang
blessing
kaya,
to be in
mereka
the cabin.
melakukannya.
Okay?
Jadi
And
adalah satu
your
berkat untuk bisa di
assignment is
cabin-cabin
to find
dan
joyful
assignment
refrain.
Anda
Okay? Find joyful.
adalah untuk mencari
Find it. Find
kebahagiaan,
the feeling. Okay?
perasaan
That's
untuk
the
selalu
assignment.
senang. Itu
If
tugas
you don't
kalian.
walk out with a smile, you failed
Kalau
the
Anda
test.
tidak jalan dengan senyum, berarti Anda
Strong.
nggak pas, Anda
But
fail.
если вы говорите так быстро, мне совсем непонятно. Пожалуйста, может быть, будет переводчик. Да. Это лучше будет. Пожалуйста.
So she wanted to take the moment and
Dia mau
to have this opportunity when we
untuk
have lots of
mengambil
online and
kesempatan.
offline participants.
Ця
Dan
ідея в мене
selama-
родилася ще 3 місяці тому, коли 1 грудня я саджала дерева разом з волонтерами тут в Diamond Mountain.
About the idea, she got like 3
Dan
months ago
ide
when
dia
she
punya
was planting
3
the
bulan
trees
yang
with the
lalu
other
pada waktu
volunteers.
menanam
Є
pohon
пропозиція
dengan
написати
volunteer yang lain.
книгу про Diamond Mountain. Спочатку це була ідея, щоб кожен з нас поділився історією свого шляху до Diamond Mountain.
So her idea is to write a book about Diamond Mountain,
Ide
and
dia
each
untuk
of us
menulis
can
buku
share
tentang
their
Diamond
story,
Mountain
how
dan
they get to
setiap dari
Diamond
kita
Mountain.
bisa menulis
Але
cerita
перед
bagaimana
цим хотілося, і це головне для
mencapai ke
мене,
Diamond
щоб
Mountain.
кожен з наших вчителів, хто стояв у джерел створення Diamond Mountain, в першу чергу наш дорогий Гешела, це і досточтимі Гелце, Джигмі, Сунамі, Сарані, Коні, Джейбі, всі, хто приймав участь, хто проходив 3-річний ретрит, тому що між нами дуже багато запитань, які б ми хотіли мати відповіді на них.
Okay, and first of all, start with the people who was
Mulai
in
dengan
the
orang-orang
foundation of building
yang
Diamond
di
Mountain,
fondasi
our
dari
dear
Diamond
Geshe-la,
Mountain,
our Venerable Gyaltse,
Venerable
Konila, Jebila,
Konila,
and
Jebila,
Jigme, and everyone.
Jigme
So
dan
because we have so
semuanya,
much question
karena
between
kita begitu
what
banyak
was in the beginning
pertanyaan,
and now,
dari
we
mulainya
want to
bagaimana
cover
dan
them.
sekarang kita mau
І це
mengcover
було б для
semua.
минулих поколінь, які будуть для поколінь, які будуть за нами, і це буде історія Diamond Mountain. А виручені кошти за продаж цієї книги буде йти на Diamond Mountain завжди.
So it's going to be for the future
Jadi,
generations,
ini untuk
and
generasi
all the money
berikutnya,
we can have from the selling
uangnya
books, we can
kita bisa
give to
dari
Diamond Mountain.
penjualan
So
buku
there will
bisa
be
berikan ke Diamond
like
Mountain. Jadi
unlimited source
akan
of money
menjadi
for Diamond Mountain.
source sumber
Okay, we'll
uang
try.
untuk Diamond Mountain.
Щоб ми зрозуміли одне. Я хотіла, щоб наші вчителі зрозуміли, ви нам необхідні, і ваші спогади, і ваш досвід, і ваш досвід. Діліться ним, вони нам дуже необхідні.
So it's for you to understand that we need you, we need your
Bisa
experience, and we need
kita
to
butuh pengalaman
please share
Anda.
with us that
Jangan
we ask you
tolong
for that.
bagi dengan kita. Kita mohon untuk itu. Ya, terima kasih.
All right. Tim, anything? Ready? Got anything?
Tim, udah.
Yes. Thank you everyone for joining Geshe Michael Roach class 7. Oh, I'm sorry. General channel. Sorry. Thank you everyone for joining Geshe Michael Roach Class 7. We hope this session brought more depth, clarity, and inspiration for your retreat experience and daily practice. Thank you for being part of this gathering at ACI 5 Houses. Thank you. Goodbye.